How's it going, everyone? Today we have a very highly requested video from career colleges directors, director of career advisors. They want to know how can we stay up to date with employer demands to increase our job placement for their graduates, learners, job seekers coming into 2025. And today we're going to exactly show you that through having very particular types of skills and interview practice that relates to the roles that you guys are teaching. Quick example, if you guys teach something in tech, in nursing, healthcare, whatever the case may be, we have a tool for you that will show you how to actually fine-tune by the employer location, exact employer requirements, and the exact employer role, because these things can vary how your graduate or learner will be a top candidate or more qualified for the role. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you in the next clip exactly how to do this. All right, welcome back, everyone. This was highly requested by a lot of training organizations, vocational programs, career colleges, and boot camps, specifically in the tech sector. So one of the things they asked was, how can we keep up with employer demands? And today, there's several ways to do this. The one way to keep up with employer demands is making sure whatever you're teaching, upon completion, people understand what's going to be asked from them in the role, and do they even qualify for the role? And if not qualify, where are their gaps so they can go back and learn it? So the biggest thing I want to show you is what you can do in these interview practice sessions, where essentially what they do is they will test the individual skills. So if I come here and I want to practice what it's like to be, let's say, a GRC, governance, risk, and compliance analyst, I should know how to perform. But doing it general is good to test your skills. But if you want to help and keep up with employer demands, what you can do here is, as I come here, what you want to do is you as the owner or you as the individual or the training organization should be able to create an exact variation. So what I mean by that is you're going to go ahead and, for example, if it's cybersecurity and let's say I'm doing something like GRC and I want to help train their technical abilities. I want you to enter a specific role, a location, and to take it even further, if you guys work and you understand what employers are looking for, put in a company name. For example, in cybersecurity, an example, let's just say Google, right? Or, it could be anything, Apple in the cybersecurity space. By doing this, you're now creating actual accurate in real time, right? The reason why I put location there is because you can have an Apple store sitting here in maybe Toronto, or you can have something sitting in San Jose, California, and maybe the type of community, the location, the hardware of the situation you're in becomes very different. Just like, for example, if you're teaching somebody to become a nurse, well, one in Johns Hopkins in Chicago is very well different from something maybe like St. Joseph's in Ontario, Canada. So we're going to keep it and leave it at that. By doing this, you make such a good experience. And going into 2025, that's a great way to keep up with your employers. And we're going to leave it at that, and we'll see you at the next one. All right, guys, to all my directors, advisors, coaches, job developers out there, if you're running a really important training program in tech, healthcare, technology, doesn't matter what it is, I hope this was helpful for you. This is the kind of things you're going to need to do to keep your learners, graduates up to date, qualified, ready. And you're going to just stay right at that level, matching all the employer demands for 2025. And that's going to make your program the best one out there. So once again, if you have any more questions, concerns, put it in the comments, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.